Hey superstar, welcome and welcome back. If you're my day one subscriber, please allow me to help you with your dreadlocks. If they're either weak, itchy, dull, unhealthy, or even breaking, let's put that to an end. This gorgeous queen right over here, her locks grew longer once she started using this deep conditioning treatment. Please keep on watching. Superstar, as for the ingredients, you're going to need avocado. Avocado is a natural moisturizer. Avocado can prevent and will stop hair loss. It's also going to promote hair growth. Avocado helps a lot in strengthening the hair, and that's why it's perfect for the locks. However, I even forgot to introduce myself. I'm Maryam Kapama, natural hair superstar. If you're new here, hi, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're my day one, my OG, thank you very much for tuning in. I love you and appreciate so much. I appreciate your support a lot. Second ingredient is going to be the one and only, my favorite, my go-to, cactus. Yeah, you already know what it is. Superstar, cactus is also known as the tuna plant in Jamaica. Jamaicans are fond of having dreadlocks, and they use this plant a lot in their hair regimen because cactus is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. Also, cactus contains iron, calcium, and potassium and omega-3. That's perfect for hair growth and hair rejuvenation. Also, cactus is high in fatty acids, which are great for hair growth and hair development. Again, cactus contain vitamin E that acts as an antioxidant that fight free radicals. If I tell you cactus is a powerhouse, it has a lot of nutrients. I could go on with this. Superstar, off to the next ingredient, which is the third ingredient for this treatment. It's the fresh neem leaves. These leaves are packed with bunch of nutrients. I can't say enough. But for those who are asking what's the name of these leaves, this goes to my Nigerians subscribers. I so much appreciate you because you have a figure in my analytics. This leaf in Nigerian, it's known as dongo yarrow leaf. So shout out to my Nigerian subscribers for hooking me up with this name. However, this we're going to wash it and use it when it's clean. Be sure to clean your leaves, guys. I'm adding them to the blender and the rest of the cactus and avocado just to blend them up. I'm also adding coconut oil and DIY neem oil. It's important to add oils in your deep conditioners because it's going to help make your hair soft after you wash it. Neem oil is amazing. It's going to treat head lice, it's going to reduce dandruff, it's going to reduce the effect of itchiness or any skin irritation. It's going to condition your scalp. So it's amazing when it comes to promoting hair growth because neem contains keratin, contains vitamin C, contains phosphorus, contains protein, fatty acid and amino acid and a lot of other nutrients. It's packed. It's going to soften the hair and also going to strengthen the hair follicles. That's why it's amazing for the dreadlocks. Superstar, this is the hair we are working with. The locks are amazing, long, healthy, just because she incorporated this treatment in her regimen. She uses this every 6 weeks to 4 weeks, so be sure to adjust this whenever you wash your hair. It's very important. To start, we are going to section the hair. I'm doing 4 sections just to help easy application and coating every single strand of the hair. So I'm applying gently from the roots to the end, making sure each strand is coated, making sure each hair benefits from the neem, the cactus, and the rest of the product I used. So it's important to take your time to make sure each strand of the hair is coated. I'm repeating the same thing to every other section. Then I'm also going to adjust it with a shower cap, a plastic bag, to help it deep condition. You can stay under a heat cap or a steamer just to help the mixture penetrate better. If you're getting any values, please be sure to like this video, comment down below. Just say locks if you have nothing to say in the comment, and I'll appreciate that you are here to support a girl out. I'll so much appreciate you. Also, this mixture you can stay with it for 40 to 30 minutes if you're under heat, but you can stay with 40 minutes if you're using a regular plastic bag. Wash it and style your hair as desired. It's going to help your hair tremendously. The locks are going to strengthen.
On the beat.
It's important for you to start using the neem oil. In this video right over here, I'm going to show you different ways that you're going to apply the neem oil in your scalp and your hair strands, just to help your hair grow faster, better and healthier. So if your goal is to grow longer, thicker, healthier hair, be sure to click the video, and I'll see you right in that video. Until next time, bye bye.